Hello students, how are you? Today is basically a speaking lesson for IELTS, and we'll look at some words in which there are silent words, silent alphabetics. Yes. So there are some words here in front of us which are basically A is silent in them. So let's start with some words here. Artistically, logically, musically, romantically, and so on. Yeah, so let's move to the next word. In these words, D is silent here. Wednesday, so we don't speak Wednesday, we speak Wednesday. And then again, sandwich, we don't say sandwich, we say sandwich. Then handsome, edge, bridge. Yes. And then with silent H, honest, goose dry hair, hour, what. And then silent G, sign, champagne, no, rain, toe, through, silent B, climb, comb, crumbs, debt, doubt. That's it for today's